Good morning students. Today we will study about decimal exercise 7.2 and this is very important exercise. Okay, in this exercise we will study about like fractions, unlike fractions, and the most important is the conversion of value from fractions to decimal and decimal to fraction. This is the base of decimal. If you will understand the way of conversion of decimal to fraction or fraction to decimal, it will be very helpful and very easier for you in your calculations. Okay, so this is very important. Make it clear here in this class only. Okay, so first we will study about like decimals. Like decimals. What are like decimals? The decimal having same number of decimal place. Okay, well, number having same decimal place. Number having same decimal place. Suppose we have 2-3 numbers and all 2-3 numbers having same decimal place. So we will say that these decimals are like decimals. For example, we will have 32.25, then 425.65, 7025.03. Okay, so what we are seeing that all the decimals are different from other, but the common thing is that in all three decimals what happens, the decimal place is same. Okay, here we have two decimal place, 0.25, 32.25, that is 0.25, here also 0.65 and here also 0.03. Okay, so decimal place is same. When decimal place is same, we will say that the decimals are like decimals. Okay, why? Because their decimal place is same, and if their decimal place is different, then we will say that the decimals are unlike decimals. So unlike decimals are number having different decimal place. Number having different decimal place is known as unlike decimal. For example, 45.21, we will have 324.042. okay, 475.9123. okay, so what we are seeing that here in 45.21 we will have two decimal place, 0.21. Here in this number we will have three decimal place, 0.42, and here we will see that we will have four decimal place, 9123. So we will say that all are unlike decimals. They don't have same number of decimal place. So all these are unlike decimals, and these are like decimals. Why? Because they have same number of decimal place. So this is very simple, like decimal and unlike decimal. Now we can convert like to a unlike decimal to a like decimal. We can convert it. Okay, for example, suppose here only we will have 32.25 and 324.042. we can make it like decimal. How do we will make it? Suppose we will have 32.25 and another number we will have 324.042. one number is this and one number is this. We are seeing that clearly that here we will have two decimal place, here we will have three decimal place, but we can convert like decimal, we can convert them in a like decimals. How? We can place one zero in this 32.250. okay, now, and this value 324.042. now here also we will have three decimal place and here also we will have three decimal place. Okay, so now what happens? They have converted to a like decimal place only by placing 0. Okay, and after a decimal, if we will place 0 at last, that means it will not be counted. Okay, it will not be counted, it will be 32.25 only. But what we have done, after placing 0 we have converted them into a like decimals. So like this we can convert them into a like decimals. Okay, see few more examples. How do we convert like to unlike, unlike to like decimal? For example, suppose we will have, take this and this, 425.65, and another number we will have 475.9123. Here we will have 2 decimal place, here we will have 4 decimal place. So both are unlike decimals. We can convert them into a like decimals. How do we convert? We can place 20 after 65. That means after 2 decimal place we will place 20. So now both are like decimals. Now what happens? Now both are converted to a like decimals. Why? Because we have placed 20 in this part. So now this also having 4 decimal place, and now this also having 4 decimal place. So both are converted to a like decimals. This is the way of converting unlike to a like decimals. And after decimal, when we place 0, it will not be counted. Okay, this is just to make them like decimals. Okay, so now we will study about conversions. I think that like and unlike decimal is very clear to you all. Very easy part of decimal is this. Now what? Now we have to see conversion. Conversion of fraction to decimal. Conversion of fraction to decimal. Okay, very important. Suppose we have some value 3 by 10. It is given 3 by 10. So how do we convert? We can write it as like in decimal 0.3. Okay, we can write it like 0.3. Suppose we will have 3 by 100. How do we write it as? 0.03. If we will have 3 upon 1000, then 0.003. Okay, so this is the way of converting fraction to decimal, fraction to decimal. But one thing is very common, if you have observed. If you do not have observed, now I am going to tell you that in all the fractions, what is common? That in decimal part we will have the value in multiples of 10. In multiples of 10, if we will have value in denominator in multiples of 10, then we can easily convert it without a division. We do not have to do division, we can directly convert it. Why? Because if we will remove 1 0 from here, we will place a decimal over here. Okay, one place before we will place decimal. Okay, so it will be 0.3. When we will remove 2 0, what happens? We have to place 1 0, then 0.03. Okay, when we will remove 3 0, what happens? 0 0.0. That means the number of 0 will be replaced. The number of place we will remove 0, at that number of place we will place decimal. Okay, यहाँ से हमने क्या है, 3 0 को काटा, 3 0 यहाँ पे डिडक्ट हुए 1000 से. तो इस 3 से पहले भी क्या है, डेसिमल ऐसी जगह पे आएगा कि ये 3 कहाँ पे चला जाए, 3 प्लेस पीछे हो जाए, डेसिमल में 3 प्लेस पार्ट हो जाए. ओके, लाइक दिस हेयर वी विल हैव 100. सो वी विल हैव 100 हेयर 3 by 100. वी हैव रिमूव 2 0, 2 0 हटा दिए, तो हमने देखा कि 3 भी जो था वो क्या है, 2 डेसिमल प्लेस खिसक गया. ओके, 0.03 हो गया. सो लाइक दिस ओनली वी हैव टू प्लेस डेसिमल. 1 0 हटा तो what happen, we will have decimal in one place. So this is very simple. Okay, this is very simple. We can convert fractions to decimal like this. Suppose we will have 425 upon 10. If we will have like this, okay, 425 by 10, we have to convert it into decimal. Now what, we will have 10. So what we will do, we will remove 1 0 from here and what happens after removing 0, we will have one decimal place over here, 42.5. okay, we have placed one decimal over here, okay, 42.5, like this. Suppose we will have 3246 by 100. 3246 by 100. What we will do? We have to convert it into decimal. How do we convert into decimal? We will remove 2 0. We are removing 2 0. So what we will do? We will, that decimal will jump to a after 2 place from this side. That is from 1 to before 4. 32.46. Before 4 we will have decimal. Why? Because we have replaced 2 0. Okay, and we will place decimal from this side. That means from right side of the number. Okay, 42.5. How do we comes? We have replaced 1 0 and that decimal is comes from the right side. 42.5 राइट साइड से, मतलब इस साइड से पीछे की तरफ से हम डेसिमल लगाते हैं. 1 0 हटा तो 1 प्लेस डेसिमल, 2 0 हटा तो 2 प्लेस डेसिमल, 2 प्लेस पहले डेसिमल आ गया. नाउ व्हाट इफ वी विल हैव 724934 and we will have 1000. What happens? From where do we have decimal? After removing 0, we have removed 3 place 0. So where do will come? It will come before 3 place from here. So count it from here, 1 2 3. So before 9 we will have 724.934. okay, 724.934. So this is the way of converting fractions to decimal. Only when we have 10 or multiples of 10 in the denominator, then only it is easier to convert. Otherwise what we have to do? We have to divide. We do not have other option, or we will have to convert it into a denominator. We have to convert it into the multiples of 10. okay, so now see conversion of fraction to decimal, then conversion of decimal to fractions. Suppose we will have to convert decimal to a fraction. Decimal to fraction. So the conversion of decimal to fraction, see 34.5 if it is written 34.5. So how do we convert it? We can remove, see here 34.5. what we will do? We will remove one place decimal and we will place a 0 in denominator. So answer will be 345 by 10. Answer will be 345 by 10. Suppose we will have 72.36. We will have 72.36. So what we will do? We will write is 72.36, and what we will do? We will replace, we will remove the decimal from here. And how much place it is removed? It is removed 2 place. So we will place 200 over here. यहाँ पे एक प्लेस डेसिमल पीछे खिसक गया तो 1 0 आ गया इन फ्रैक्शन. यहाँ पे 2 प्लेस, सो 2 0 वी हैव प्लेस्ड इन डिनोमिनेटर. 7236 upon 100 is now, this is the answer. This is now converted to in this 34 point is now converted to this. Understand? So 329.4275 if we will have this. okay, so now what we will do? 329.4275. if we will remove decimal, then we have to count how many place it will be shifted. 1 2 3 4. how many place we will have? 4 place. The decimal is now shifting to a 4 place. So what happens? We have to place what? 4 0. 1 2 3 4. That means 1 2 3 4. The answer will be 3294275 upon 110,000. So this is the way of converting decimal to fractions. okay, so conversion of fraction to decimal, conversion of decimal to fraction I have explained thoroughly. okay, now what it is up to you to try, take example from your side, from your own, and try to convert. Keep in practice it a lot so that it will be easily understand to you. Understand? Okay, in our next video we will explain how to convert any value, the value if it is in denominator. Suppose we will have 42.42 upon 5. So how do we will convert this value to a the denominator into a term of 10? Okay, that we will study in our next video. So first you will try to learn what are like fraction, what are unlike fraction, how do we convert unlike fraction to like fractions, how do we will convert fraction to decimal and decimal to fraction. Okay, keep this practice, then we will study about something more in this exercise. Thank you.